gonna be hard to sync these things. I don't really know what I'm doing, but hey, you notice anything different? Anything about the view? Anything at all? We finally got around to getting one of these Insta360s. I know we're late to the party, very, very late. They've had like 5 of them out now. We didn't get the newest one. New one was definitely not in our price range, not in our budget. But yeah, we got the Insta X3. It's 1 generation old, but it does everything we need it to. It records in the same frame rate and resolution that the GoPro's doing, so we're on the same wavelength with that whenever we go to edit the videos. But whenever I'm going to be linking these, that's going to be new. I can already tell. I've messed with the footage a little bit, like on the Insta360 app, like editing Instagram reels and stuff. That's not too bad, but I already know, like, linking up the footage, like the timing and everything for my talking and my hand movement is going to be possibly a chore. I don't really know yet. I've tried to watch videos and maybe I'm just asking goofy questions, so I just got to actually do it and find out. Either the footage will make it in there or it just won't. And if it does, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the different view? I only got the motorcycle bundle, and the only thing I'm using out of it is the handlebar mount. Well, it's not even a handlebar mount. It's kind of like a claw. If you've ever had one of those ram foam mounts, it's just a claw that you tighten up. So I mean, it's working. It's just we're kind of limited on the views we get. I've seen a lot of people put them on the rear sets of their motorcycles, but the Grom rear sets are like, they're flat, they're not round. So this thing really needs something round and stiff to, it just really needs something round to grasp onto. You know what I mean? Might have got a little weird right there. So yeah, we're just rocking it on the handlebars right now. Let me know what you guys think about this view. I eventually want to get the Insta360 stick. Then we can kind of hang it off the back of the bike and stuff like that. Get all those cool views. 1,300 subs? Like, what? Y'all are crazy. Y'all are freaking crazy. I appreciate you guys tuning in, watching. All those that consistently watch, that's sick. If you don't normally watch, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video. Just join the Thrills on Wheels adventures. We don't only do Grom stuff, but it has been Grom stuff for the past few months, hasn't it? Ever since we got that new one last year and then wrecked it, it's been straight Grom content. I mean, they're just so fun. They're cheap to maintain. You can be hard on them, and they most of the time take it. You know what I mean? They don't give you too much trouble. You just got to keep the oil changed and up on your regular maintenance like you would on every other motorcycle, and they just do good. I really hope the audio is okay in this video. The past few videos have been kind of a little iffy, but hey, here's the boys. But yeah, we're going to the stunt lot so we can kind of mess with the different views we get when we're doing wheel stands. See if we can make some cool videos. Some of my buddies from work got a camera guy coming out here too, so hopefully we can get our hands on some of that footage. You never know. Yeah. Naked bikes are sweet, man. We need one. We need one bad. I like the sport bikes too, but I don't want to be hunched over like that. Which that one, you're not really hunched over. If you don't know what I mean like kind of laid over. Hurts my back. And how could I almost forget? We got a handbrake on this thing. Not the best one, which the bracket and the brake line are good. They're brand new, but the caliper and what's this thing called? Oh yeah, the brake reservoir. Not the reservoir. The master cylinder. I believe my master cylinder is bad. I've bled it a couple times and it's gotten better and better each time, but it's also gotten really stiff. I'm not trying to get weird again, but yeah, it's gotten really hard. Like I gotta use my whole hand to pull it in. So I guess eventually I'm gonna try to get a new master, which this one is from Amazon. I'm either gonna try to replace it with the same exact one from Amazon, because like I said, this was used and it's been around the block. My buddy had it for a long time, and then my other buddy bought it from him and never used it, but somebody could have been pulling on the lever and stuff while it didn't have no fluid in it, and that could have potentially it could have messed up the lever. I don't know, like the little O-rings and everything we got on the inside of the master cylinder. So yeah, it kind of works for now. We're about to go over here and practice with it a little bit, see what we can do. but I definitely do not trust it. So don't expect nothing crazy, like no seat standing, none of that stuff. First one of the day. Feels pretty normal. Woo. Woo. I'm gonna do a couple knee knockers, and then we'll mess around with the handbrake. I noticed doing it in first gear helps a lot too, because I got a lot of engine braking. And this is kind of all I've been doing, is like knee knockers, covering the rear brake still, but using the handbrake. I don't want to say it too much and jinx myself, but I mean, it kind of works. I see, I gotta really pull it. I was pulling it really hard right there. I gotta really use my whole hand so I can get a good grip on it, but I don't want to get in a bad habit of holding it with my whole hand, because I know eventually I'll need to use the clutch and the handbrake at the same time. Does this view look better though? Does it look any cooler? Maybe you're just staring at the ground. I don't know. Maybe it's too close to me. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think of the third person view. Is that third person? I think. I don't know. I wish we had dirt tires on the ground. We can go rip that dirt over there. I mean, we still can, but dude, I wish I had dirt tires. That stuff over there looks prime right now.
Oh, you're in the mood for it. Okay, he wants to get a shot from at the bottom of the hill. You can't see the top, like you can't see these trees or anything. So it's like we're gonna ride over.
Is he making like a film?
Huh?
Is he making a film?
He's just taking photos. But he was like, yeah, dude, we get some sick shots. And I was like, well, let me hit the boys up, because you can get some sick shots of the boys. I know, that's why with like a $2,000 camera.
Well, let's go give them the shots.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's go give them the shots. Well, I keep every time.